Alright guys, welcome back. This is a new toy in the toy box. It's a Coleman BTX200. But hold on a sec. How did we get here? How does Coleman make a mini bike? I mean, I don't spend a lot of time thinking about Coleman, but if I do, I would think lanterns and propane stoves. But also I guess they make other camping gear, coolers, tents, sleeping bags, and from the website apparently camping chairs. So these things all make sense, I guess. They're all kind of camping, outdoors kind of stuff. I guess a mini bike kind of fits into that. So I did some really basically superficial research. And here we go. Here's the story. Yes, it was originally the lanterns. And then Coleman did turn into basically a camping company. And so how does that fit with mini bikes? Well, basically it's a licensed product. And this is from the Coleman website. So they explicitly state that they will license their name to companies that they feel are reasonable quality and are in line with the basic goal of the company. So Coleman licenses a pretty interesting group of products like pools, hot tubs, propane canisters, HVAC, apparel, bed sheets, pet accessories, grills, repellents, RVs, solar panels, optics, here we go, and power sports. The company that has the license by Coleman for UTVs and mini bikes and go-karts is called Coleman Power Sports. This is a company that is American. It's based out of Tempe, if that's how it's pronounced, Arizona. And you can see it's ATVs, go-karts, golf carts, UTVs, generators, and mini bikes. They of course sell to retailers, and that's who I bought it from, was one of the retailers here in Canada, Princess Auto. But who actually makes these Coleman mini bikes? Well, not surprisingly, they're made in China. Hisun Motors, aka Chongqing Hansung Industrial Group Co. Limited. According to a Google search, this is out of the factory or the main office. This Chongqing Hansung Industrial Group, founded in 1988, apparently have 2,500 employees. And it seems since 1988, they've been pretty successful with over 500 hectares of land and multi-billion dollars in assets. The volume of production is really remarkable. Apparently over 1.5 million engines made per year, over 1 million motorcycles. That equals about 2,700 motorcycles per day. That's almost 2 bikes are made every minute. Okay, so now we know what we're dealing with. So this is my Coleman mini bike. It's a 200cc. I bought it on sale at Princess Auto. It's obviously just a cheap bike, but the whole point of it is, just a fun toy. For the remainder of this video, I'm going to take it out of the box and put the bike together. In future videos, we'll probably do some easy mods. I'm not sure exactly which ones I'll do yet, but we'll get into that with time. What's in the box? Well, it's this. So obviously the main bike chassis, there's the front forks, a couple plastic fenders, a light, some hardware, the wheel, a rack, and some reflectors, which I'll probably throw in the garbage. And some other things. It's got warning stickers that apparently I need to apply, so those will be going in the garbage as well. It's got instructions in both English and French, and that's about it. Specifications, well, it can take 200 pounds apparently, 196 cc's, centrifugal clutch, and it is not a toy. Well, that's not true. It is a toy. So as we learned, there are literally millions of these Coleman mini bikes out there. But this one's mine. Actually, it's not mine. It's my wife's. But anyway, it came together pretty well. It was pretty easy. It didn't take very long. And I've had a chance to ride it around a bit, and it is a lot of fun. It is definitely a toy. So I'm going to have some fun with it, and I probably will do some simple mods. Basically some mini projects for a mini bike. See ya.